arms up and shake it all around again. Up. Put your arms down. Put your arms up and shake it all around. Then to the left, then to the right, then to the left, then to the right. Hello everybody, how are you today? It's nice to move your body and learn and play. Hello to my teacher, how are you today? I am gonna listen to what you say. Hello to my friends, how are you today? I am gonna share my toys with you today. I hope everybody will have a good day.
Before we proceed, this will compare for our observation for the time of students and the plan in the plan. Come class and see. Please observe the students. Come class.
Meron